Italian.
English.
Italian.
Good morning.
Buongiorno.
Good night.
Buonanotte.
What is your name?
Come ti chiami?
How are you?
Come stai?
How old are you?
Quanti anni hai?
How is it going?
Come va?
I'm fine.
Sto bene.
English.
Italian.
English.
Italian.
Sister.
Sorella.
Brother.
Fratello.
Brother.
Madre.
Mother-in-law.
Suocera.
Numbers.
Numeri.
1,
1,
2,
2,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Goodbye.
Arrivederci.